Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. Dear teachers, welcome to the Understand Quran Academy Teacher Training Course Orientation. I discuss with you today the cash model. Imagine you have four very important points to be covered, areas to be covered as a teacher. First is you are going to give the students the knowledge. This defines the depth. The second is the attitude towards the knowledge, that defines the altitude, how much high the student will go in that subject. The attitude defines where it puts the heart in the subject. The next step is skill. You train the students your ability to perform the tasks. And the fourth one is the habit, autopilot of your performance. This is very important. When by the end of the course, the student should have the right amount of knowledge, right attitude, and enough skills, and these should be combined and merged to form habits. Then you have done your job as a teacher, and the student who is going to come out of your classroom will have all these four, and the habits are the real outcomes where he is going to live according to what you have taught. Now, the training method. Each of you during this session, during the teacher training course, will go through these 5 steps. The first step is the reading assignments. The reading assignments will be given to you in every session, which includes the text, PDF, videos, presentations, any other links which are shared. I urge every participant to go through the text, make notes, and mark those areas where you have some questions or difficulties and clarify with your instructor. The second is something very interesting and interactive. CTL practice. The full form of CTL is collaborative teaching and learning practice. This is a unique practicing skill building exercise where you develop expertise and by teaching and observing the content at the same time. The third is the quizzes and exams, which is given as topic-wise assessment will be given. The fourth is the group project to implement the concept, where you go a step ahead and implement in the real life scenario and the situations, but you work in a group with online as well as offline. Step number 5 is the portfolio activity. Portfolio activity gives you the opportunity to internalize the concepts you have learned in this course. Remember, unless you ponder and do tadabbur and tadakkur, you are not going to benefit from any content that you study. Therefore, we have included the portfolio activity, which will give you the opportunity to think in different directions. Some of them we will guide you, some of them you will have to explore on your own. We encourage the creativity, we encourage your pondering ability, reflection ability, imagine, feel, ask, evaluate, plan, propagate is the UQA taxonomy which you are going to implement in the classroom. So these are the 5 easy training methods which will make you an effective teacher. So take out time after the class, online class. You will have to spend at least an hour on these reading assignments and the training methods, which will inshallah see you through with a better grade and a successful Quran teacher career. We as teachers aspire our students to become lifelong learners. We wish everybody becomes a lifelong learner. The wish applies to yourself and everybody around. Isn't it unfortunate that many of the students, they do not open the book, they do not read anything new and upgrade and update themselves with the new techniques, and years pass on and when they become teacher, they never learn anything. They think their job is to teach. Now, let me redefine. When I teach, if I have the joy of teaching, this joy of teaching in me as a teacher results in the joy of learning among the students. When there is joy of learning, it results in a lifelong learners, and that is our objective. And this will be self-starting, self-serviced, independent learner who will continue his job. He will continue the learning as his passion of life. And that is our objective, that a person after this course should become lifelong learner. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.